We're going to review the top 5 best hole saw kits, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Milwaukee 4922-4285. Milwaukee is a great American brand, and this hole saw kit tops the bill as far as we are concerned. It has bi-metal teeth with a positive rake for faster, more efficient drilling. This is a 28-piece kit, so no matter what the task is or the required hole size needed, this kit has got you covered. This kit has also been ice-treated to make the hole saws 50% tougher for a longer life, and the gullets are deeper to make scooping out the debris easier. Number 2. Greenlee Carbide Cutter. If you are looking for a hole saw set that makes light work of metal, this could be the kit for you. It has 6 pieces, consisting of 5 cutter heads ranging in size from 0.87 inches to 2 inches. Plus, there's a spring-loaded pilot drill to make removing the slug easier. This kit is constructed from steel with carbide tip teeth for optimum performance, and a cobalt steel pilot. It also comes with a quick change auger for when you need to swap to another size cutter head. Number 3. Tacklife Glass Hole Saws. This Tacklife set is diamond-coated, meaning that they are among the toughest cutting tools out there. They cut through tile, glass, ceramics, and even granite. So, if you are fitting work surfaces in the kitchen or bathroom, this hole cutter is ideal. It comes as a 10-piece set, with sizes ranging from 0.25 inches to 2 inches. The drill bits are constructed from carbon steel, which has then been coated in nickel to preserve the material and increase its useful life. Number 4. DeWALT Standard Electrician's Hole Saw Kit. DeWALT had to feature somewhere on this list. After all, they are one of the greatest tool brands in the world. This set is specially designed for use in the electrical industry. This is an 8-piece set, consisting of 6 hole saws and 2 quick change mandrels. The material is bi-metal, which is hard-wearing and lasts up to 35% longer than the industry leader and up to 200 times longer than standard hole saws. Number 5. Freud DHS17 SPL Bi-Metal Plumbing Set. This Freud Diablo hole saw set has a variable tooth design to make boring faster and easier. It is constructed from bi-metal, which is an alloy that is more robust than carbon steel, so if you are plumbing in a sink or toilet, it will be able to cope. This 17-piece set ranges from 1 inch through to 4.5-inch saws, so it has the scope to drill holes for larger diameter pipes. This set also benefits from a snap lock plus system that allows for a quick change across the entire range of hole saws.